'cause your love still want it, and life don't seem familiar when I'm lonely without you. I keep bringing it back.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, without wasting any time, today I want us to react on the following video. Here we are just cooking. We love cooking. We love recipes. South African recipes. So guys, in this video we'll be doing a traditional beer which is called Umqombothi. I think many of you will know this. So guys, without wasting any time, please guys, consider subscribing in the subscription button below, leave a comment and like the video. Guys, I'm just reminding you. So guys, without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video.
Yeah, please do subscribe if you're also be. Welcome back. Okay, so guys, after this video, please like and comment. So let's get straight into the video. This is going to be a tutorial on how to make Umqombothi, which is African beer.
African beer.
Actually, someone asked me like instructions on how to make it. I thought it was gonna be really cool if I could just upload it on YouTube. So okay guys, so you're gonna need maize meal, king corn, and a big pot. The maize meal, you can use any brand, and the king corn, I prefer king corn for amabele, guys. And then you're gonna just make as if like you're cooking porridge. You add boiling water into a pot, you pour your maize meal, pour cold water, and you pour it into your pot and you stir. So you're basically just gonna cook porridge, but then you're not gonna fully cook it. You're gonna see how it is before we pour it into our big pot. So as soon as like it gets to this point, it's not actually fully cooked, you pour it into your big pot, right? And it's gonna be 20 liters, so you're gonna have 20 liter porridge, okay? And then you're gonna add king corn, 5 kgs of king corn, and you're gonna mix it all together. Then after 24 hours, you're gonna put this on the fire and you are going to cook it. So you're just gonna mix, like let it just cook, guys. Like, okay, it should look something like this. So you're gonna cook for something more than an hour. I believe we started cooking around past 7 and we finished like later, so it was a little more than an hour, around to 9. And then you wait for it to cool down. We waited like overnight, so it has to be cold. Then you mix it like that. Ours was a little bit too thick. And then you add 2.5 kgs of king corn and my mom's secret recipe, which is 3 cups of self-raising flour. Then you mix those together, and then you add it to your mixture. You just mix. Ours was thick, as you can see. It was very thick, but then if you follow this instruction, this is how yours is going to look like as well. So we had to add warm water. We added like 2 liters of warm water and we mixed, right? And then we had to wait. Obviously after the mixture we had to wait like 24 hours. And then when we woke up, this is how it kind of looked. Not really when we woke up, but around 12, this is how it looked. But it wasn't done yet. We still needed more of those bubbles, okay? And then we had to wait, and yeah, it wasn't really done yet. For more beer, we used umoja. You can also buy umnati. Pour 5 liters of water into a bucket, mix it, and then overnight it's as good as done. So back to the Umqombothi. So this is how it looked when it was done, because you can actually smell it when like it's beer. You can smell that it's cooking. So depending on the weather, we don't know how long it's gonna take. Then it was time for ukuhluza, guys. So we first stir it like that, and then empty bucket, then you just start like, you know, your alcohol, the parts that people drink. So yeah, so all in all that made like a 20-liter bucket full. So you see, for a 20-liter porridge you get a 20-liter bucket full. So that is it. My hands were like, yo, I was tired, guys. And then we did whatever we do with our Umqombothi, and yeah, and after that, like, people enjoyed the delicious Umqombothi. And that's the end of our video. I just hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something from the video. And if it helped you, please do comments, guys. Like, don't be scared of the comment box, and do like the video and share it if you can. So until next time, bye.
What we do here is go back.